Hi guys, Milkus and Games here. How are you? Today we're going to be doing the advanced version of the beach landings. So this is episode 10. So what I've done, just to keep things short, um, is I've already got it set up and ready to go, and I'm just going to go through it. It's pretty much the same as everything. The waypoints are the same, like setup. There's just a few little different things. Obviously, you want the boat to go back, so you're going to have waypoints go back, as you can see. Um, this is no different. It's just this, and the code, obviously, but that's it. The tags are the same, so whatever tags you call it, so infantry has a separate tag and the boat has a separate tag. So the boat's called LCVP underscore 05, German LCVP underscore 05, and the infantry is called Ger LCVP infantry 5. Okay. Okay. So once you got that, you got the boat set up, and so go up and set your waypoints. Obviously, what we've done before. We're going to have the code on this waypoint. We're not going to just, we'll leave that for a second. Go all the way around. Once you're done, there's going to be code on here as well. I'll get to that in a minute. Go to your triggers and create a LCV5 for your boat. Okay. Don't worry about the event, but you have, you don't even need a delay. I just did that so it looks nicer with the boats that get spawned in. You want a waypoint command, basically your boat tag with the waypoint starter. So it starts at 116. You want to clone and save, teleport, and rotate. Also, with the tags on the LCVP on the boat, don't forget the hidden tag. You need a hidden tag. Okay. Then you want an active state, and you want the boat tag in the well as well. You want control AI, fire mode open, move, hold, and whatnot. Speed normal. This is optional. You don't have to have it, but I recommend having it. You're just telling AI what they can and can't do. Okay. Cool. So that's done. That's pretty much it. Done, right? We're going to do this tag over here, this waypoint over here, because it's really short and easy. So what you want is a delete command. So go right click, add, delete. Then you want a delay of 4, and you want a trigger. So when you're doing the trigger, you're probably used to putting the trigger in the actual trigger thing. Trigger here, over here. So we've done it before, I think in the objectives and things like that. Video, we did this, and then you put the trigger down here. Don't need to do that. We're putting the trigger here. So select it and then select LCVP5 or whatever one you've called it. Cool. I need to delete that. The delay's there, so it's like 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, the boat will spawn again. Okay. So you can make that whatever long you want or short. Cool. And then here's the big stuff. Okay. You have to do it in this order for it to work. So it's very important. All right. Okay. So first thing you want is a waypoint. Now, when you get your waypoints, when you place one in here, it's going to look like this. What you want to do is you want to go, first off, you want to go here, oh, not there, sorry, action, and go down and suspend. And you want to go to actor, turn off that, and put in your boat tag. Okay, that's all you have to do for that. Pretty simple. So that's that here, that's what it looks like, that's what it should look like, okay? Then you want to add a delay of 1, and then the effect entity, and you want to click, pretty much type in open, okay, and that's going to open the door as you've seen in the previous ones. Another delay of 1, and then you want your emit tag. So you don't have to do this, but the selector, can be on waypoint, but also I put on standard and put in the boat tag. Okay. Waypoint 126, that's for the soldiers to jump out, which is this, and they'll go straight to this waypoint and follow up the beach. And then the crew, obviously you want the infantry tag in there, because you want the infantry to eject, not the drivers and gunners. Or you can if you want. Then another active state, and that's for the infantry. So again, when you put it in, it'll look like this. pretty much. You want to change that from that to standard and put in your infantry tag. And just copy those settings there. Again, it's optional for the active state. Then you want another delay of 6 seconds this time. Now that's to give the infantry time to get out of the boat. Now 6 seconds is more than enough. It gives them plenty of time to get out. Even when they're under fire, they all get out, so that's fine. After that, you want another effect. And you pretty much want to type in close, and that's going to close the door. A delay of 2, just to give the boat a bit of time to close the door and whatnot. And then a waypoint. Same thing, except you're changing the action from suspend to resume, direction forward. You want it to go forward, continue to, from 119, 120, 121, 122, 123. If you go backwards, it's going to drive backwards. You don't want that. All right, and you're pretty much done. That is your advanced version of an endless beach, pretty much. All right, so we're going to go in and test this, and obviously I'm going to speed this up. You guys have seen it hundreds of times now. Oops. Alright, they'll be spawning. Excuse me. I hope the waypoint setup works this time. Alright, that worked, and that one's a little bit of a fiddle. So it's obviously just mucking around with the waypoints here. Just to get it right. But as you can see, it drops the men off. So it still reverses. A little bit of trial and error with these waypoints. But you kind of get the gist of it. Like, just look at this one, for example. It does it pretty well. So let me move that one back. We'll try and copy that one. There you go. He's dropped off more men. They're charging up the beach there. Hey, we got it. There you go. A little bit of fiddling around. By the way, you want to change the waypoints when you're not in the actual game, because it's not going to save it. Okay. You're going to have to. All right. You can obviously fiddle around for prototyping. So, and then you're going to have to go back and do it again. That's just how it works. There's no save function that allows you to, And I think, if I remember correctly, it was very something like this. We bring that in over there. Something very similar to that. I think that will work. Cool. That's actually kept the video quite short. Last time it was 15 minutes. I'm trying to keep it short, especially the advanced version, because it takes a long time to set up with all the waypoints and then all the coding. So I thought I'd do it this way. Give it a shot. Give it a try. I may not do it in the future. But yeah. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Again, trial and error with the waypoints. Put them in. Give it a try. If it doesn't go, try and fiddle around like I did while you're in the game, and then try and remember their positions. So I probably say that probably won't work. That might. Looking at the. Anyway, again, trial and error. Alright, better end it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was useful. Gonna make some awesome beach landing missions now. Next video, I'm not sure what it will be. Haven't decided what tutorial I'll be doing. I'll let you guys know. I may do paratroopers. They're pretty cool to do. Or bombers. Planes flying over and dropping bombs. What's it? The airstrike command. Things like that. Maybe how to script your soldiers to board vehicles. Because obviously we use the emit command to unboard them. But you can use the board command to board them. But I can do a video and that's really quick. I don't know. I'll let you guys know when the video comes out. Other than that, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Milk Cookies and Games out.